बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम फ्रेंड्स। हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम दिल्ली प्रपोज़ल और साइमन कमीशन से मुतल्लिका क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। वेयर इन मई 1924 मुस्लिम लीग मेट अंडर द प्रेसिडेंटशिप ऑफ कायद-ए-आज़म? आंसर इज़ लाहौर। In 1927, Quaid-e-Azam and 20 eminent Muslim leaders prepared a formula for Hindu-Muslim unity. This formula is known as answer is Delhi Proposals. Which Congress leader requested to Quaid-e-Azam in 1927 that if the Muslim League surrenders its demand of separate electorate, the Congress shall accept all other demands presented by Muslim League? Answer is Nehru. Which proposals provided that Sindh should be separated from the Bombay Presidency? Answer is Delhi. Which conference decided to appoint a small committee of jurists under the chairmanship of Nehru to get the draft of Indian Constitution prepared in 1928? Answer is All Parties Conference. When the British government appointed a statutory commission headed by Sir John Simon? Answer is November 1927. Who remarked that nobody among Indians could represent all the communities of India? Answer is Lord Birkenhead. Who was Lord Birkenhead? Answer is Secretary of State for India. The British government sent a statutory commission to India which did not contain even a single Indian member. What was the name of this mission? Answer is Simon Commission. The Jallianwala Bagh was a physical butchery. The Simon Commission is the butchery of our souls. Who made this statement? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. The statutory commission commonly referred to as answer is Simon Commission. When first time Simon Commission visited India? Answer is 1928. When report of Simon Commission was published? Answer is May 1930. How many visits Simon Commission made to India? Answer is 2. When all parties conference was held? Answer is 1928. What was the first foremost point of discussion in all parties conference? Answer is dominion status. Report of Simon Commission contained how many parts? Answer is 2. Which report recommended a federal type of government in India? Answer is Simon Commission. Simon report was unanimously condemned by? Answer is all political parties of India. By whom a campaign against Simon report was launched? Answer is Gandhi.